RKM MK39, a high-performance TV box running on the latest Android 7.1 OS with open-source application store. RK39 processor, adapted for a better and smoother operating experience. Supports 4K resolution, providing high-definition image.
Humankind evolves. It's how we survive. Through ice ages, plagues, wars, disasters from above. We adapt our skills, our languages, our very bodies in order to live. Earth is our home, but only so long as it keeps us safe.
4 GB of RAM plus 32 GB of large storage with maximum external hard drive capacity for up to 32 GB. 3.5mm audio jack, DC power port, HDMI 2.0 port, 10K megabits per second, RJ45 ports at the back, Type-C port, USB 2.0 and 3.0 port, TF memory card slot on the side.